Hi and welcome back. In this video I'm gonna show you the location of the fuse for the radio in 2018 Dodge Grand Caravan. This is gonna be the same for Dodge Grand Caravans made from 2008 and all the way up to 2020. Fuse for the radio is located in the main fuse box, just right under the hood on the driver's side of the engine compartment. To open it up, you have two tabs here that you will have to press and then lift up. And now if you check the back of the cover of that fuse box, you can see a diagram of the fuses and locations. So radio fuse is M12, so it's this one right here, and in the actual fuse box this is gonna be this fuse, so green small fuse, 30 amps. Now if that radio fuse turns out to be good, you most likely have a problem with the radio itself. So in that case, the best thing to do is to pull out the radio, check the wirings in the back of the radio, and if everything looks good, then that most likely the radio itself is no good and you will have to replace it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you, bye.